All right, we're back. So, as expected, so far so good. So what we've done is put in these top screws that make the synthesizer body to the particle board, and then the key bed, which were these larger screws here. So now it's relatively together. So all the rest of the screws now are going to have to mate these plastic and metal end pieces. They lock in here, and then these guys also have these little screws here that go into the sides. They actually mount into the metal on the synthesizer body here. And then the bottom dust plate, whatever you want to call it, goes in there, covers the bottom of the keys. And that is just about that.